Wake up. I know what your soul wants. But I can't give you all of me. I'll make sure that everything will turn out okay. For your world's sake, and mine. The deal is set. Those are the conditions.
Huh?
Call me Jin. I'm a popping fairy, former PopSlinger, and you've been chosen to...
Save the world, pop everything in sight, and have fun! Those are the terms, right? Loving the getup, by the way. Guess I want him to try too hard to do cosplay now. Also, you don't look like a fairy to me. You're looking whatever the opposite of alive is.
Yeah, I don't quite understand it. There's no time to process this, though. All I know is, fate has bound us together, and we have to make the best of it. Right now, you're in this place as a trial. I will teach you the ways of the PopSlinger, and only then will you be able to leave.
How about I let the road teach me? It'll be more fun for the both of us.
I'm pretty sure dying during a trial isn't my definition of fun.
What do you have to complain about? Looks like you're halfway there.
Are you ready or not?
Mama, I was born ready!
Are you ready? I can help you. I'll protect you.
Nice!
It's on.
I'll cover you!
I'm ready.
I'll cover you! I'm going flat.
I'm not letting you give up.
Are you ready?
Time to...
I'll cover you! Nice!
It's on. Yeah. I'm ready.
I'll cover you!
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Let's just... I'm ready.
I'll cover you! Nice!
Time to play.
Great!
I'll protect you. It's on.
Yeah.
It's on.
Not bad, right?
Not in the slightest.
I did my best.
That was...
I'm not such a bad shot, right? I think I'm ready.
I think I don't know what I'm getting into here, but I'll have to do for now. I can't guarantee your safety out there. It may be much different to how you remember it by now.
You mean full of those gooey things? That just means it'll be fun.
I can't tell if your attitude is good or terrible.
Some would say it's an acquired taste. Don't worry, I guarantee you won't be bored as long as I'm around.
That's what I'm afraid of.
The name's Rhea, by the way. I know you were dying to find out.
What I'm dying for is for you to get a move on.
Excited, are we? I can see it in your face. Let's go have some fun.
Of all the people I could have found, I get the weird one. Great job, Jin.
Wow, what's going on out here? How long was I out for?
The side effects of our deal. It took roughly a week for you to recover.
Well, no time to waste then, right? Where do we go?
Just ahead. I made sure to get us to the closest source of energy.
All right, time to pump some suckers.
Not so fast. I'll tell you right now, if you fail, you'll doom us all. And I mean both worlds.
Huh? Are you saying... No! Stop! You're making it sound too exciting for me!
That really wasn't the reaction I was expecting. You're a strange one.
Says the creepy ghost girl.
Well, you got me there. This is our next destination.
Let's take a break. PopSlinger! PopSlinger! Wow.
Aside, just ahead.
Oh,
Not so.
huh? No!
That route?
Says the.
Well. This is our next destination.
Lila Crash Course. Good old Wayform City. Bustling full with people with boring jobs and a life to waste. I guess it needed an interdimensional invasion to make it more interesting.
Are you saying you actually want things in your world to be consumed? Don't you have friends and family to protect?
Do you think I was out here with my family? I'm sure they'd be long gone by the time I saved you. At least, that's how I think it went down anyways. Right?
You don't have to rub it in.
Oh, come on! I'm just messing with you.
Enough! We're not the only ones in this town. It may look deserted, but I sense a presence gaining power not too far. The longer we stay put, the longer we run the risk of these corrupted creatures taking hold of your world.
Well, that just means I get to clean up your mess. More fun for me.
That presence. Could I be using it? I hope whatever is channeling it doesn't overrun this place. I need to focus on my mission.
Are you done babbling to yourself? Come on! Let's be magical girls!
Are you ready?
Ha!
Time to play. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'll protect you.
Great!
I can help you. Hurry up, will you? Time to play. It's on. I'm ready. I'll cover you!
Incredible!
It's on.
Puppet style!
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Puppet style!
Time to play. No, we're too late.
What do you mean?
You ain't icing my fans anymore.
Wait, are you?
The great, amazing, sick daredevil Lila Crash Course? Why, yes. Thank you for asking.
Weren't you a little older? I remember you looking like this about 15 years ago on Basic Cable. Well, except maybe for the pretty legs.
Zip it! Look at how you ruined my turf! Ugh, I'll grind your face so hard they won't even want it on the milk cartons!
Milk cartons? I really think age wasn't the only thing she lost.
You think you're slick? Let's see you keep up with me! I'll remind everyone who they forgot about! Your suffering will be an extra!
She's coming. Get ready.
Action!
Don't let the enemies freak you out.
It takes two to tango!
Get her!
I'll cover you!
I don't even have to do this myself. Eat my And now, my turf is clean.
Do overtime!
Don't let the enemies freak you out.
It takes two to tango!
It's over! Slam! Loser! Get her! Eat my Loser! It's over! Come out to play!
I can help you. I'll cover you!
It's over! Let's see if we can keep up! Dodge this! Slam! Let's see if we can keep up!
I can help you.
Let's see if you can keep up! Let's see if you can keep up! It's over! Let's see if we can keep up!
I'll cover you!
No! This was my chance! It was gonna be my comeback! That was the deal!
What? Fame? Power? I'm sure you know that wasn't happening. It hasn't been that long. And look at how it corrupted you.
That's rich coming from the likes of you. You think he wouldn't know what you're up to? You people are so lame! You'll get what's coming to you!
So much for a comeback. The only thing she did was mess up the town with her skid marks.
We need to keep going. We should be able to follow the trail.
Oh yeah! Where there's danger, there's sure to be more fun waiting for us.
You're enjoying this way too much.
Hey, Jin!
What now?
So, what was that whole thing about? The thing you got from the old skater lady?
Right. A popping soul. They're the whole reason I'm here in the first place. Sources of power being misused that put your world in danger.
I can tell that much, you dummy. I mean, why?
It's none of your business. Your business is to have fun. Isn't that your deal?
Fine. We can play it like that if you want. You're a tough crackerjack, right? I'll figure it out eventually.
I have no time for your nonsense. Let's just move on to the next target.
Mama has a temper too.
This is our next destination.
Carlos and Carly.
Now we're cooking.
This diner? Really? I wouldn't be caught dead going to this joint. Just look at that hideous thing at the top. I've had to look at it all my life. I hate it so much. It's round and lame, and I don't like it.
I sense a massive spike of energy coming from here. This is it.
That's the only thing that can make this place interesting. Fun for the whole family. I'm sure you won't regret it.
I'm regretting this whole thing already.
Is it just me? Or does it look way bigger on the inside?
Can't you just focus?
Are you ready? Let's have some fun!
I can help you.
Strawberry!
It's on. Need a hand? I'm ready. I'll protect you. I can help you. Hurry up, will you? I'm ready.
Incredible!
Ready. It's on. I can help you. I can help you. I'll cover you. It's on! Time to play. It's on!
Whoa!
Looks like someone got here first. This is bad.
No kidding. What's the point if I don't get to go in guns blazing?
That's not...
You're in the way. Duck! What? What the heck? You should have listened. I did tell you to duck. Did she just shoot at us? What did she shoot us with? Look again, kid. I just saved your life.
She's not wrong. I didn't know you had magic like that in this world.
It's a beautiful day. Why are you putting yourself in danger, kid? Kid? Seriously? I'm about old enough to make your own decisions then? So you know how irresponsible it was to step into this. Damon, are you getting this? Yet another reckless person that thinks they're the hero. It's like a bad movie. No, back up! That's my line! What are you doing here? I'm doing my job. Saving reckless kids like you so they may live through another beautiful day. Leave it to capable hands. There we go. You just want all the fun for yourself. Is that it? Huh? My readings say you have the same composition as those creatures I just took down. You know what? I don't have to listen to this. I don't remember you getting rid of the monsters downtown. I'm afraid you're gonna have to come with me.
This is bad news. We have to take her out.
On it! Transform!
Don't let the enemies freak you out.
Extra shot. Spice bomb. You asked? Spice bomb. You asked for it, kid. Spice bomb. Your odds. Spice bomb. Your odds are low. Spice bomb. Spice bomb. Spice bomb. Spice bomb. Spice bomb. Spice bomb. Take this. Your odds are low. Spice bomb. It's a beautiful day. I ain't giving up.
Don't let the enemy freak you out.
Motor shot. Spice bomb. Take this. Motor shot. Stay out of the way, kid. Spice bomb. That's my luck. Take this. Caramel X. Your odds are low. Take this. It's a beautiful day. Do overtime.
Don't let the enemy freak you out.
Potato shot. Spice bomb. You asked for it, kid. Spice bomb. Take this. Spice bomb. Spice bomb. Spice bomb. Spice bomb. Your odds. Spice bomb. Take this. Motor shot. That's my luck. It's a beautiful day. I ain't giving up.
Don't let the enemy freak you out.
Potato shot. Spice bomb. You asked for it, kid. Spice bomb. Motor shot. Take this. Spice bomb. That's my luck. It's a beautiful day. Do overtime.
Don't let the enemy freak you out.
Potato shot. Spice bomb. Spice bomb. You asked for it, kid. Motor shot. That's my luck. Spice bomb. That's my luck. It's a beautiful day.